Hello students, welcome to Jagannath Mathematics Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss the domain, codomain and range of a function. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to get further new updates. Let us move on to our topic. Let f be a function from a to b, then the set A is called the domain of the function f, right? And this set B is called the codomain of the function f. We know that a function f can be written as f from a to b. So here this set A is called the domain of the function f, and this set B is called the codomain of the function f, right? Now the concept of range is also here, right? So the set of all f images of A is called the range of f, or the image set of A under the function f. This is also denoted by f of A. Now the concept of range will be clear by an example. So consider a set A which consists of -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, and consider another set B 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and consider a function fx equals to x square, right? Function can be considered as a rule also. So we need to find the domain, codomain and the range of the function fx. Before going into that, we need to check whether this fx, which is defined by fx equals to x square from set A to set B, this f from A to B, this is a function or not. We need to check it. See how to check. Given set A as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and set B as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are given a rule fx equals to x square. Now this value of x we can take from the set A, and this value of x will be taken from the set A, right? So in place of x here, in place of fx equals to x square, we can put x equals to -2 from the set A. So f of a -2 is -2 whole square, right, which is 4, and this 4 over here belongs to B, set B, right? Similarly, we put x equals to -1. This -1 will belong from set A. So f of -1 is equals to -1 whole square, which is equals to 1, and this one belongs to this set B, right? Similarly, you can put x equals to 0 and find the value of f of 0 as 0 square, which is 0 that belongs to B. Similarly, you can put x equals to 1 and get 1, right? And you can put x as 2 and get 4, right? So if you draw the arrow diagram over here, you can see that -2 associates to 4 over here, -1 associates to this, -1 associates to 1, 0 associates to 0, and 1 associates again to 1, and 2 associates to 4. Now, as discussed in the lecture 2, we can see that every element of set A has an image in set B, right? And each element of set A is associated to a unique element of set B. Hence, by definition of function, we can say that f is a function from A to B, right? We can say that f is a function from A to B. You can see the explanation. Clearly, every element of set A is associated to a unique element of set B. Therefore, is a function from A to B, right? Now, we have just seen the definition of domain, right? So, the domain of the function is the first set A and the codomain is the second set B. So, the domain of function f is the set A, which is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and the codomain of f is the set B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I hope the concept of domain and codomain is clear to all of you. Next, how to find the range of f. Now recall the definition of range. Range is the set of all images of the domain is called the range of f. See here. We have the image set, right? Means a -2 associates with 4, 2 also associates with 4, -1 associates with 1, right? We can see that in set B, we have the elements as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But we have the images of set A only 0, 1 and 4. We call these elements 0, 1 and 4. This will go to the range set. This will go to the range set. Because range set is what? Range set is the set of all images of the domain, right? Means range of f will contain f of -2, f of -1, f of 0, f1, f2. Now f of a -2 is 4, f of a -1 is 1, f of 0 is 0, 1 and 4, right? Now all of you know set theory. In set theory, you cannot repeat the elements in a set. So we have to write this 4 once. We have to write this 1 as 1 and this 0 as 1, right? As repetition is not allowed in set. So the range of f is this set. Also, one more thing, you can see that this range of f, this is a subset of set B, right? 0, 1 and 4 is contained in set B. So here comes an important result, that range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain, right? This is the homework question for you all. You are given a set A as -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, and you are given a function f from A to the set of integers, right? Be a function defined by fx equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. You need to find the domain of f, codomain of f, range of f and pre-images of 6, -3 and 5, right? You need to post your answer in the comment box, right? Next, question number 2. Let A be a set and f be a function from a to r defined by fx equals to x square plus 1, we need to find the domain of f, codomain of f, and range of f, right? Now, how to find this? First of all, we need to check whether this f is a function or not. So for that, we will have given f is a function from a to r defined by fx equals to x square plus 1. Now we can take the values of x from the set A, right? We can take the values of x from the set A. So we first take the value as -1 from here. So f of -1 is 2, and this 2 belongs to the set of real numbers, right? As 2 is a real number. Then we take x as 0 from this set A. Then we put it in this equation, fx equals to x square plus 1. 0 square plus 1 gives 0 plus 1, which is 1, right? Next, f of 2 gives us 5, and then f of 4 gives us 17. If we make the arrow diagram over here, we can see this is the arrow diagram. We can see that each element of A is associated to a unique element of the set R. Means f is a function from set A to set R, as every element of set A has a unique element in set R, right? Therefore, f from A to R is a function. Now you know how to find the domain and the codomain. Domain is the first set A and codomain is the second set R, right? So domain, so the domain of the function f is the set A and the codomain of the function f is set R. Now how to find the range? You see the images of the elements of the domain, right? So image of a -1 is 2, so 2 will come in range. Now the image of 0 is 1, so 1 will also participate in the range, and the image of 2 is 5, so 5 will participate in range. Similarly, 17 will also be in the range. So range of the function f is 1, 2, 5 and 17. I hope the concept of domain, codomain and range is clear to all of you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.